Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to charge shipping based on the order value in Hostinger website builder. In this video, you will learn how to offer a shipping rate of 7.99 for orders starting from $0 to $50. Then you will offer a discounted shipping with a rate of $3.99 for orders starting from $50 to $99. And for orders for orders starting from $100 and up, you will offer free shipping. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account, and click on Websites. Now, next to your online store, let's open this store. I'm not sure on which website I will work on. Let's check this store. Okay, let's work on this online store. Next to your online store, click on Manage Store button. Now, this way you will automatically land on the store management area instead of the website builder. Now, to set up shipping based on the order value, simply go to Settings, then click on Shipping. First, you will see this shipping zone. Here, I will here first, just to let you know, in order to add a shipping option to Hostinger website builder, first you need to create a shipping zone. How to do this? Click on Create Zone. Then give it a name. For example, let's go with let's say that, okay, let's call it worldwide. If you work on, if you offer shipping to all available countries, call it worldwide or just US shipping or something like this, or US zone or USA zone. Then click on Add Country and start adding the countries where you offer shipping. Since this is a worldwide, I will go with Select All and then click Elsewhere, and you will see every available country. Now click on Save to add this shipping zone. Now that the shipping zone is updated, which means created, let's start adding available shipping options to this shipping zone. So click on Add Option. Here, let's call it, for example, free shipping, or it is not free shipping. How to charge shipping based on order value in Hostinger website builder. Okay, here I will go with ChatGPT. I will ask ChatGPT for its help. For this video, give me shipping options to add. Okay, now I will go with tiered shipping, most popular. So for orders starting from $0 to $49, I will call it standard shipping, and I will ask for $7. So let's call it standard shipping, and here in the shipping rate, I will fill in this value, which is $7.99, and here I will add a condition. This condition here, there are two condition types. First is based on the order price or the order weight. Since our video is based on the order value, I will go with order price, and here I will fill in for the minimum order price, I will go with 0, and for the maximum order price, I will go with 49. This means here, this sentence this sentence is very important and you should learn it, which is the lower bound of the condition is inclusive and the upper bound is not. So you should set conditions according to this example: 0 to 5, 5 to 10, and 10 to and up. This means if I got here, let's reread the important sentence. The upper bound the lower bound of the condition is inclusive and the upper bound is not. This means that if those are the order value, let's say that I got an exactly $5 order value. Which shipping option will be used? Is it this first one or the second one? Here, since the lower bound of the condition is inclusive, my exactly $5 value will go with the second shipping option because $5 is inclusive here and not here. This means that this $49 I can go with $50. This means that all orders below $50 they will be included here for the first tier, or it will use standard shipping. Okay, let's add this first option. By default, after adding your shipping zone, you get this regular shipping option that it is free. I will delete it like this. Delete. And here I will click on add option to add the second shipping option. This is the shipping option name, discounted shipping, $3.99. This is the shipping rate, and here I will add a condition, and here I will offer this $50 is inclusive. Let's explain it later. This means that if I got an exactly $50 order, if I got an order on my online store with a value exactly 50 order or up, it will use this discounted shipping option. Why? Because the lower bound, which is this minimum order price, is inclusive. Now let's add the second option, and here free shipping for orders starting from $100. Let's call it free shipping. I will fill in nothing here in the shipping rate to stay for free. And here in the minimum order price, I will go with $100. This means if I got an starting not or for orders value for orders with a value starting from $100, they will get free shipping. And click on add. Shipping details updated. Now let's check my online store. Go to store. Let's create, okay. Let's try with this classic cap. Add to bag, checkout. Now let's fill in, let's say this order came from the US, which is one of the world countries. As you see here, the shipping is $7.99 because the order total value is below $50. Now let's update the shopping bag to exceed $50. As you see, the total is 54. If I go to checkout, the shipping, I'm not sure why. Okay, here I why you see free here? Because if I go back to the shipping page and I have a shipping zone that include the country Morocco, so I need to delete this. So all the conditions follow this shipping zone. So here, when I refresh this page, I should see the shipping cost updated. As you see, choose shipping destination. So let's select, for example, the United States. Now, as you see, the shipping it got a discount because the order got a little bit higher above 50, above our price, above the price condition of $50. Now let's try to increase the order value above $100. Let's adjust it slightly above $100. And in order to see now, you should see free shipping, because if you go to the shipping zone, where is the conditions, above $100 and up, there is free shipping. Where is, let's select a country. We are shipping to Afghanistan this time, and since this is Afghanistan, we offer free shipping. And as you see, the subtotal is exactly the total because the shipping is free. And this is how to charge shipping based on the order value in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.